226-3933 at the appointed hour. 226-3933. And when prompted, you can answer the question on air and pick up a free lunch at Latitude 59, but also a free Radio Realty t-shirt. So, Tim, notice something else here. What's this say right here?
Chris, this is what I want for Valentine's Day. And what's the
I feel like I'm in remedial reading.
Well, you know, you wrote it.
No, Tiffany did.
It, right? Or Tiffany did.
This is what I want
for
Valentine's Day.
Let me try it again. Chris,
Please.
this is what I want for Valentine's Day. Big smile and a big T.
That's right, from Tiffany. So I'm so lucky to be with somebody that spells out. Now, she's circled everything she wants in this page of this magazine, which is
So let's go to the diamond page.
And no, but she's even added up what it's going to cost me. She's circled the different items and added up exactly what it's going to cost.
Shipping and everything.
So exactly.
2001.
No, please.
I didn't see that.
No, she's a very humble lady. She's a very lucky woman.
Is
she out front?
Frugal.
Frugal. Well, that's because she's married to me. So
yes.
I just feel lucky that right here, gentlemen, it's coming up. That's why I'm talking about it. February 14th, the big day. And you know where you can take your lovely bride on Valentine's Day if you would like?